How do you use the calendar view in TimeTonic? The calendar view in TimeTonic provides a visual representation over different time scales where you can organize and directly manipulate your data. Let's take a look at that together. Access the view options, add a new view, select the view mode option in the window, choose calendar, and your configuration window will open. Set a title that will name your event. Select a start date and optionally an end date. It's not mandatory. Select the select field to define the color and type of your events, and you can set up your workspace calendar events to sync with the global calendar. To do this, select the column for the members involved in the events, choose a time slot, and check the box to sync with the global calendar. After you're set up, you'll find your events in the time range. Hover over to get the details of your information. Choose a time range based on your needs, whether it's by week, by day, or during your office hours. Then move using the left-right scroll wheels to find your events. You can select your event to open it and access the details. Using the wheel at the bottom of the event, you can move its time slot. You can drag and drop the event to another time slot or another date range. Right-click to duplicate or delete the event. Double-click in the time slot to create a new event, edit its details, and confirm. Let's see how creating an event for today syncs with my global calendar. I then go to the left sidebar global calendar and I click, and I find the event I just created in my workspace calendar, which will be shared on the global calendar with the collaborators mentioned in the configuration window. Using the calendar view in TimeTonic offers a dynamic way to manage your schedule and makes it easier to coordinate with your colleagues.